The molecular formula of methane is CH4 and its molecular mass is 16. Methane gas was discovered by the Italian scientist Alessandro Volta during 1776 to 1778 while he was studying gases found in marshy land. As methane is found at the surface of marshy places, it is also called as marsh gas. Methane is produced anaerobically, that is, in the absence of air by the decomposition of organic matter. Natural gas primarily contains methane. It is about 87%. Methane is also found in biogas and coal mines. Methane gas is produced by heating a mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide to 300 degrees Celsius in the presence of nickel as a catalyst. The fractional distillation of natural gas gives methane in the pure form. Physical and chemical properties of methane. Physical properties of methane. 1. Methane is a colorless gas. 2. The melting point of methane is minus 182.5 degrees Celsius, while its boiling point is minus 161.5 degrees Celsius. 3. It is sparingly soluble in water but readily dissolves in organic solvents like gasoline, ether, and alcohol. 4. Methane is in the gaseous state in room temperature. 5. The density of liquid methane is less than that of water. Chemical properties of methane. 1. Methane is highly inflammable. It burns completely by reacting with oxygen to give a bluish flame. During this reaction, 213 kilocalories per mole heat is liberated. Let us see the reaction. Methane reacts with oxygen to give carbon dioxide, water, and heat. 2. Chlorination reaction. Methane reacts with chlorine at a temperature of 250 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius in the presence of ultraviolet light to give methyl chloride or chloromethane and hydrogen chloride. In this reaction, one hydrogen atom is substituted by a chlorine atom, converting methane into methyl chloride. Let us discuss the uses of methane. Uses of methane. 1. Methane in the form of natural gas is used in various industries such as fabric mills, paper mills, food processing industry, and the purification of petrol. 2. We know that methane is the smallest hydrocarbon. Hence, when it undergoes combustion, it produces less proportion of carbon dioxide. It is therefore widely used as a domestic fuel. 3. Various important organic compounds like ethanol, methyl chloride, methylene chloride, and acetylene can be produced using methane. We have learned that methane is found in biogas. Let us now describe a biogas plant. Biogas plant. The biogas plant consists of an underground digester tank. The dome of the digester tank acts as a gas holder or storage tank for the biogas. There is a gas outlet at the top of the dome. On the left side of the digester tank, there is a sloping inlet chamber, and on the right side, there is an outlet chamber. The inlet chamber is connected to the mixing tank, while the outlet chamber is connected to the overflow tank. Animal dung, dry leaves, and wet garbage and water are mixed in the mixing tank to prepare the slurry. This slurry is fed in the digester tank through the inlet chamber. In the absence of oxygen, but in the presence of water, the microbes decompose the organic waste and release methane gas, which is also called as biogas. This gas starts collecting in the dome of the digester tank. As more and more biogas collects in the dome, it exerts pressure on the slurry collected in the digester tank and forces the spent slurry to go into the overflow tank. From the overflow tank, the spent slurry is removed gradually. This spent slurry acts as an excellent manure. Biogas contains about 55% to 60% methane, and the rest is carbon dioxide. It does not produce smoke on burning, nor does it leave any residue after burning. It is therefore a clean and convenient fuel. It is used as a fuel to cook food and also to generate electricity. This electricity can be used to power street lights. We have understood the functioning of a biogas plant and the uses of biogas. Let us acquaint ourselves with the stages involved in the biogas production process. Biogas production process. The production of biogas is an anaerobic process. That is, it takes place in the absence of air. It takes place in two stages. 1. Production of acids. In this stage, the biodegradable material present is broken down by microbes to produce organic acids. 2. Methane gas production. In this stage, the organic acids formed in the earlier stage are acted upon by methanogenic bacteria to produce methane gas and carbon dioxide.